What's up? In this video, we are covering day 141 to 150 of printing every single day, or whatever you want to call it. Honestly, I don't care. Let's just get into it. I printed what is officially my longest print to date, a 6-hour plus plant pot. I use this ugly Sunlu PETG red filament that doesn't even look red. It actually turned out okay, so I shoved an expensive plant inside as a gift for someone. Don't worry, apparently this specific plant doesn't need drainage holes. At least that's what they told me. I don't know, man. I'm not a botanist. Next up is a pistachio cup to level up my pistachio eating game. Because normally, you open the shell and then you're stuck with looking around like an idiot, wondering where to put the trash. Do you throw it on the ground? Toss it out the window? Eat the shell too? With this cup, there's one compartment for the nuts and one for the waste. When you're done, you just lift the top part and dump the garbage. Easy. Pistachio eating is fun again. No hassle. This print took a minute and my white filament actually ran out midway, which is why the top is yellow and the inside is red. Yeah, I'm still trying to burn through that ugly red filament. I also kept the pistachio theme rolling with this pistachio cracker. Surprisingly, this thing actually works. You just put it between the nut, squeeze, and it pries it right open. Works every single time. Well, except for those weird completely sealed pistachios with zero opening. I highly recommend this one. It uses almost zero filament and it's actually useful. I bought this Cardio Mobile EKG. The damn thing was like $70 and it didn't even come with a case, a bag, or a single thing to store it in. Cheap bastards. So, I printed this case. A real-world problem instantly solved with a 3D printer. Now, this is a customizable name desk organizer. You can store a bunch of crap in here. It's pretty cool. As you can see, it's red with white letters. Printed the colors on 2 different plates and superglued the letters in. I chose the name Lydia. The Y actually went past the edge. So, I had to hack at it and sand it down to make it level. Whack. But, other than that, the design is solid. Also, if anyone knows why superglue leaves that annoying white powder residue every single time, please let me know. Oh, an honorable mention to this petty asshole on Makerworld who made a similar name organizer but embedded "not for resale" in giant indented letters all over the model. Thank God I found this alternative instead. Like, bruh, things can't be that rough. Who would print that watermark garbage for themselves or give it as a gift? So whack. Next up, I printed this personalized initial and name sign. Went with a red L to finally kill off some more of this ugly filament and the name Lydia in white. It looks good and the L stands up on its own. The name slots into the initial, but you still have to superglue it. Again, 2 plates, 1 red, 1 white. Next, I printed this ROF bracelet. Printed the biggest size, and it's way too big. But hey, it looks okay, I guess. I'll try a different size later. And yes, I printed it in that shite Sunlu red. This spool is taking an absolute eternity to finish. Up next, I printed a personalized stencil. Look. You ever wanted to jump out your car, spray paint something in 3 seconds, and immediately dip? This stencil does exactly that. Just generate whatever text you want, print it, and you're done. Spray paint it, draw it with a pen, do whatever you want. And then, I printed a faucet filter wrench. This helps you remove an aerator from your faucet so you can actually clean it. It has the 2 basic size, and as long as your filter wasn't gorilla tightened by the last guy, this tool should remove it easily. And then we have an LED tea light holder. This was the final boss to get rid of that awful Sunlu PETG. And the spool finished right at the very last layer. I've never been happier. It fits 3 tea lights and actually looks amazing. Alright, and that's it for this update. I'm too lazy to write a proper video description, and I apologize if the thumbnail looks whack. I'll just catch you later. Bye!